Have you ever contemplated the profound relationship between the food you consume and the health of your mind? Nourish Your Mind with a Healthy Diet isn't just about satisfying your taste buds, it's an exploration of how the foods you eat can be a transformative force for your mental well-being. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can something as basic as your diet influence the functioning of your mind and contribute to your overall mental health? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of nutrition and its profound impact on nourishing your mind. The link between your diet and your mental health is not a mere coincidence, it's a dynamic connection deeply rooted in the intricate workings of your brain. The foods you eat provide the essential building blocks for neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that regulate your mood, thoughts, and emotions. A healthy diet rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supplies your body with the vitamins and minerals it craves. These nutrients support cognitive function, providing the mental clarity and focus necessary for a healthy mind. The impact of a healthy diet extends beyond your immediate mental state. It also contributes to your long-term mental well-being. Foods high in antioxidants, such as those found in berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts, can protect your brain from oxidative stress, reduce the risk of cognitive decline, and promote a sharper mind as you age. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, have garnered attention for their role in brain health. These healthy fats promote optimal brain function, reduce the risk of depression, and enhance cognitive abilities, fostering a healthy mind. The choices you make in the kitchen become a form of self-care, a way to nurture your body and elevate your mental health. The diet that supports your mental well-being is a reminder that you have the power to shape your own mental health through your food choices. Moreover, a healthy diet isn't just about your mind, it also affects your physical health, which is intricately connected to your mental well-being. Proper nutrition can enhance your energy levels, improve your sleep quality, and make you more equipped to handle stress, all of which contribute to a healthier and happier mind. Incorporating a healthy diet into your lifestyle isn't a complicated process. It's a step-by-step journey toward better mental health. It's a reminder that a nourishing diet can lead to improved mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall well-being, all while enjoying the taste of good health. So, the next time you sit down to a meal, envision it as an opportunity to nourish your mind, promoting a healthy mental state and an enduring sense of well-being, one delicious and nutritious bite at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.